All right, we're going up into a part of a stream that I've never fished this part, but I've fished this creek many times. Right now we got a pissed off burro over here and he's grunting at me. So let's see if I keep walking, he keeps yelling. Instead I fell on my ass and they ran for their lives. There they go. They thought, who the hell is that crazy bastard that can't stand on his own 2 feet? We don't want to be around him. All right, I'll be in the stream in 2 seconds. That was kind of funny. Slippery spot. At least I got that first fall out of the way. Back in a second. All right, dude and dudettes. This is where we're gonna toss on there now for a little while. We're just gonna put this little minnow impression, a little Rapala. This is a countdown, so it's gonna sink. I need it to sink too because there's fish up in here, but I think they're small and they're not gonna really go after anything big. My spinner wasn't cutting it, and I don't know if somebody's been here already today or what happened, but yeah, I'm gonna use a smaller little countdown and the rest of the day and see what happens, or who knows, maybe I'll switch out to a spinner again. I don't know. Give it a shot, see what we can do. Back in a second. All right, guys, I'm not even sure if somebody's been here or not. I might walk a little bit farther and then give up and go back to the truck. So if there ain't nothing here and somebody's been here already, I sure the heck am wasting my time trying to fish behind somebody. Ooh, trout on. Oh, yeah, well, we know what they want now. They want the countdown. I had one a second there. All right, that's what we're using. We're using the countdown again, boys. That trout really just attacked it in front of me, but for some reason or another, I didn't get the hook up the way I wanted. All right. Wait, this is going. This could be one of those 2 fish videos if I ever catch fish. I caught 2 fish, but I didn't land them. So there we go, right where I wanted to be. Maybe not. Looks like I snagged up for a second there. I got my drag on pretty good, so if I catch something nice. Ooh, something big chased it across and stopped right here in front of me, right there. I don't know, well, maybe it wasn't big, but it looked kind of big. All right, where are we at? Are we over that log yet? No, we got a fish on, boys, fish on. Woohoo, we got a fish this time and he ain't getting off. All right, look at him, man. There he goes, he's coming up to me. Check it out, guys, here he is. Hey, he's right here in front of me, swimming around. All right, boys. Gonna get my hands wet real quick here. All right, because he's got it right there in his mouth. Should be pretty easy to extract it from him here, so. All right, boys. Oh, shoot. Hit the pole in the wrong spot. There you go, guys. He's gonna flip off here in about 10 seconds, but there you go, guys. A teeny little brown, but look at the nice, beautiful little specks on him. We got him on the Rapala. He's barely hooked right now, so as soon as I get this one little hook popped here, boom, he's done. So there we go. We're gonna get the little minute, little teeny trout into the creek. Bye-bye, dude. Thank you for visiting and playing the game. Sweet. Fish on, boys, fish on. Woohoo, fishy, fishy. Look at him jump. He's just jumping everywhere. Check him out, guys, there he is. Maybe he'll cut himself free and I don't even have to touch him. Ooh, he's barely hooked too, guys, so we'll get him off here real fast. Yeah, he's barely hooked. There we go, guys, another little brown. They came down from Brown Town, pay me a visit in Lower Town. All right, dude. Thanks for playing and happy Memorial Day to you, little guy. See ya later. Well, this worked out good. I should have been using this guy all the way up. That would probably wouldn't help me. I like my spinners, but you know, sometimes the spinners just don't cut it. All right, boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, let's just keep moving up here. We got a few spots I can try. I'm thinking of right there. Big fish on. No, it's not super big, but it's nicer than the other 2, I think. All right, boys, there she is. Ah, it's just a little guy. Well, that's fine. Little guys are just as much fun as the big guys. All right, dudes, barely hooked. That's number 3. 3 brown trout so far on a little bitty countdown. And number 5, black and silver. There he is, and look at that guy. If I put him close to the camera, maybe he'll look huge. All right, he's grunting. Say hello to the people. See you swim upstream through the rocks. There you go. Wow, look at him. He's just going through. There he goes. Oh, he hit the big hole. He's gone. Sweet. 3 down. 55 more to go, hopefully. Yay! I'm like super bright today. I even forgot to turn on my camera. Luckily, I didn't catch anything. Snagged up right there? It did. And I was kind of wondering if that big rock, if it was going to happen or not, but I guess I was right, and it did. I'll get it off pretty easy, though. I hope so. Here we go, guys. Stick of the day. You know me. Haven't caught a stick in a long time, so. Whoop. Well, that was a catch and release, boy. It was so easy. He just like fell right off. All right. Back in a second. All right, we're back. Back for the attack. We're gonna go right in this little hole spot right here. Probably just not nothing, but you never know that minnow. That minnow things can happen. I've had things happen like feet in front of me when I was fishing it before, because these guys are so busy feeding. All right, I told you, right in front of me. What did I tell you? Slayer Mike is right. There we go. Maybe this guy, oh, he flopped right off. Super catch and release, guys. And all I did is just toss it in that little pool, like right there in front of me. That's funny. All right, let's try that again. Right here off these rocks, right where I'm showing you right here. There's these rocks, there's a swirl, there's a hole. All I did is drop that little guy in there, right into that hole. Just let it sink for a second. Started to tug it like that, just lightly. Because, you know, these fish, they're waiting for stuff to come off those rocks. All those rocks that headed under that swirl right there, they're waiting for bugs to pop over and whatnot, and they're sitting in that little pocket right there. I guarantee you there's a bunch more right in there. They're just basically sitting in there hovering, waiting for something to come through. Damn it. Big fish on. Well, another fish. All right, look at this guy. Woohoo! That ain't giant, but hey, he might actually get himself off like the last guy did. All right, dudes. What is this, number 5? I don't know. This guy's barely hooked, so we're just gonna pull him off. Give you a quick shot, let him go. There you go, guys. Number 5. 5 brown trout so far, and no brookies yet, but hey, he's a pretty boy. Look at all the little spots on him, and say hello, say goodbye. Say happy Memorial Day, people. Woohoo! This is a great Memorial Day weekend, I tell you. All right, this has turned out to be a pretty fun day now that I switched out to the Rapala. Spinner wasn't cutting it, don't know why. Put this little Rapala on there. Been non-stop action. No territorials, no nothing. All right, let's just keep moving up. We don't got a lot of time. Like I said, we gotta get back and help the wife with the deck. She's gonna be all mad. We don't need a mad wife. Not this weekend, it's a long weekend. No, don't snag up, did it? Oh, it did. All right, I know where we're going. We're gonna go through this dangerous water here, so hold tight, boys. I might fall on my butt. This guy spun completely around the branch, too. He hit it and then spun. In fact, I can see him sitting there. Right now, I can see it. No, it's around the top. Where did it go? That's a weird. Why wouldn't it come off when I try to unspin it? Where did it spin to? How did it spin around there? Yay. Got it off, guys. We probably ruined every fish in that little spot there now. But that's okay. We caught some fish. I'm being nice today. I don't really worry about it. Coming up around the corner, going back to the road anyways. More likely somebody's parked up there because it's another bridge spot. I knew something was gonna happen there. Can you get on the camera? No? Good. Ooh, that kind of tickled on my knee. Son of a, oh well. Who cares? I'm gonna keep fishing. That's a nice way to crack a knee. Crack a knee. Ooh, there's a chair right there. There's a little swinging chair right there. You see that? There's a swinging chair. There's like some other chairs stacked up. Kind of somebody's back area. I'm thinking now over here they're catching fish somewhere along in here. So it's just a ticket of getting in there to the where. Yeah, there we go. Close to the bank. For sure it's getting mucky, man. It's kind of scary when it gets mucky like this. There's nowhere to go besides out of the water. So, I don't know. It's been really sketchy as far as fish go lately. Fish on, fish on. Got this guy good. I am gonna hopefully not let him go. Check him out, man. There he is. He's swimming right towards me. Another brown trout, boys. Another brown trout. Get my hand wet. This guy's barely hooked. We'll get him unhooked. Come free. There you go, boys. Another teeny little brown trout. Nothing massive today. Just small guys so far. That's okay with me. Hold on, dude. Don't spin too much. I can have you out in 2 seconds. I gotta get my hemo on you. We'll get a careful extraction. You'll be living your good life all over again. Farther and farther into the spinner. There he goes. He's gone. We got rid of him. He hooked me right into my waders. Oh, son of a. That was fun. All right. Back in a second. Yeah, what number was I at, guys? I don't even know. I forgot what my count was. I got him out of that spot. He was way back in there. It would have been great if there would have been nothing like alongside of him. I could have just kept him where he was, but he went over a log to a point where there was more likely, oh, I don't know what the hell's up with my casts. That was a lousy cast, dude. What the hell? That was like terrible. I think I was like trying to catch me a bird with that cast. Kind of straight up and over. What the hell? There's a tree ahead of me. You can't just cast any way you want when trees are around. There we go. Stopped him right at the hole. Maybe we'll get a territorial strike again right there. I don't think so. It ain't happening. All right. Let's keep pushing up here. We'll catch more fish. There's plenty of space and time and everything ready to go ahead of us. So I think it looks kind of, maybe it's sandy and rocky here. I can get back in the water again. That'd be pretty sweet if I could, actually. Oh, look at that. Back in the water again. Now I probably actually catch some fish again because I'm like not so high up in the air, so. Fish on, fish on. I told you. Just had to get off that dang bank. That's a nice one too, guys. Check him out. It's a nice brown trout. Well, he's nicer than the ones I've been catching. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger than those guys. All right, guys, check him out. Brownie came down from Browntown to visit me. Looking nice. Oh, there he goes. He came right off, and there he goes, swimming back upstream. Sweet. There we go. Check it out, man. I got a free bobber. Free tackle, man. Free tackle is always nice, even though it's just a crappy little bobber. And then there's a little sinker weight. A crappy little bobber. Put it in my little bag and take it home. All right. I'll give this guy a shot up under the bridge a few times, then we're out of here. Fish on, fish on. Look at him jump. Woohoo! Did he throw the hook? He did. He threw it. Well, you guys saw it. That was fun. Oh, that was fun. He just tossed. He just jumped and jumped and jumped until he kicked the hook. He did a pretty good job. So that's like a 0.5 fish. If we end a day like that, I guess it's not bad whatsoever because, you know, what the hell? We're catching fish, we're having fun, and that's all that matters, my friends. Having fun. If you're not catching fish and you're not having fun, then you should go home or go to a different spot. So hello, everyone. Thanks for hanging out today. What a great day I had. It was like just pretty much nonstop trout action, man. I tried one of my spinners at first and it just wasn't working out. I switched out to the Rapala Countdown, just nonstop action. I don't even know, 10, 15 fish. A few bites, you know, a few flew off. Some jumped out of the water through the hook. Who cares? I had a blast of a day, and I hope you had a good time hanging out with me. I really enjoyed it. So there's gonna be a playlist up here and like a head over here. Go hit subscribe. Go watch some more of my videos. See my tips, tricks, and techniques of what I do here in the driftless. Places I fish. Beautiful out here right now. Those woods behind me. Right down there's like a big long path going all the way down the hill, all the way down to the trout stream. But anyways, yeah, thanks for tuning in. Just want to say happy Memorial Day. Appreciate you being here. Like I said, up here's the head, up here's the playlist. Go click on it, see what's going on, and I'll talk to you later.